And here is our classic Aglio Olio spaghetti pasta. Yon. Sakto pa rin yung pagka-aldente niya. Wow. Ito na yung lunch ko. Hello everyone, welcome to Goma at Home. I'm Richard Gomez. And today we are preparing pasta, spaghetti. And we're preparing one of the most basic sauces in pasta. Okay? Sa Italian cooking, gusto nila na very simple lang yun, no? Yung paggawa nila ng pasta sauce nila. But oil and lemon, no? Carbonara, yan, 3 ingredients lang. And then cacio e pepe, just pepper and cheese. Today, we are preparing aglio e olio, garlic and oil. Ganun lang. So what we'll do first, prepare our pasta. So we have our spaghetti. We'll be using spaghetti. Okay. And then put it in boiling water. Yan, dapat rolling siya na ganyan. Put in a lot of salt. Yan, karami. Good, very good. Make it salty. Then, lagyan natin yung pasta natin. Bagsak mo natin dito. Just like that. Good. Then we'll make sure na nandiyan siya sa loob. Okay? Para it will cook evenly. Just shake it a little. Just to make sure na hindi siya didikit. Okay? Good. So once it's all down, nice. You can leave it there and let it cook for about 8 minutes. And while we are cooking our pasta, we will be preparing our aglio e olio sauce. Meron tayong garlic. Let's put about, for 1 box, I'm using about 6 cloves of this. Yun. Ito na siya. No? Cleaned. Tapos, i-blanch natin siya. You don't want to cook it too much. Magiging, mawala yung taste ng garlic niya. So we'll blanch it for about mga 30 seconds. And then after that, i-blender natin dito. Make sure our blender is working. There you go. And then we'll prepare our oil. Our oil is here. And we'll be using some pasta water. And we'll check on our pasta. Good. So we'll blanch this for a while. Not too much. Another mga 10-15 seconds. Okay? And slowly, hanguin natin siya. Sarap nito. You know, garlic, mabilis maluto eh. So, let's blanch it in water for a few seconds, no? Tapos lalambot na siya ng konti. And we're ready to go. Okay, let's get our garlic. We'll put it here sa blender natin. We'll get the garlic and put it in our blender. Yun. And this will be our sauce for our spaghetti. Yum. The secret here is using the best garlic. Really good olive oil. So, ngayon, lagyan natin siya ng olive oil. Okay. There you go. Good. A little amount of our pasta water. There you go. Then, mag-emulsify ito. Pag-emulsify ito, ito na yung magiging sauce natin, no, for this pasta. A little more. Okay. And then, we'll put in some salt for taste. Good. Although may salt na yung pasta natin, pero lagyan pa natin siya ng konting salt para may taste siya. Nice. Okay. Yan. You know, konti lang. Durog na kagad siya. Sunod. And we'll try it. Ooh. Sarap nito. Wow. Sarap. A little more. Let's try it one more time. Oh, it's creamy. Very good. Good. Now, hintayin na lang natin maluto yung pasta natin. Okay. Let's check on our pasta. What's doing? Oh, lapit na lang. Another minute. At this point, what we'll do is we'll chop some of our parsley. No? Naugasan natin itong mga parsley natin. Well, if you don't have flat leaf parsley, okay na rin itong they call it curly parsley. Okay, yan. Then, chop it properly. Ito na, ma-chop natin to. Tapos na to. Then, gagawin natin. Ready na yung pasta natin. Nice. We put in our sauce here. Nice. Okay, and then we put in chopped parsley here. Yan, good. There you go. Mix it lang a little. And then, we're ready to put in our pasta. Yan. That's it. Set our pasta. Turn this off. It's ready. Nice. Oh. Diretso na yung bagsak dyan. Yes. Wow, look at that. See how beautiful it is, huh? Ganda. Nice. So with the heat, pinaluto pa niya ng konti yung garlic. So once we have all of this inside, we'll just mix it. Go, just mix this. Yeah, see, nice. Halo nyo lang mabuti. Yan. See that? Okay, mag-mix it ang lahat. Yes, good. Now the pasta is starting to absorb the aglio olio mixture. Then we'll add some more. Yan. Beautiful. Okay. So now we're ready to plate. Stand it there. Nice. Put it on top. So give it a peek. Nice. See that? A little more of that creamy sauce on top. Okay. There you go. Nice. Okay. You can add some. Parmesan cheese if you want. So this is my Parmesan cheese. I'll just put it on top. Good. Nice, no? And then, if you want to put some spice into it, pwede nyo lagyan ng konting crushed pepper. Here you go. There. Yun. And konting anghang na yan. That's it. Beautiful. And here is our classic aglio e olio spaghetti pasta. Okay, let's try this. Wow. Masarap, may pepper. Yeah. Sakto. Dami. Very good. So talaga ng mga classic ng mga pasta. Sarap. Very good. One more. Classic dish. Simple, easy to make, easy to cook, easy to prepare, lahat easy. No? Thank you so much for sharing your time with me right here in Goma. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag meron tayong bagong video na palabas. So again, this is your classic aglio olio pasta. Do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'll see you next time, right here in Goma at home. Goodbye. Sarap. Let's have a big bite. Yon! Sakto pa ito yung pagka-al dente niya. Wow. Ito na yung lunch ko.